Want to open an account with moomoo? Here's a step-by-step to get a moomoo ID and open a FUTU Singapore Securities account. First, download the moomoo app on your phone. You can download the moomoo app on either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, open the moomoo app to register. Tap on Sign Up to register with your phone number or email. You can also choose to sign up with a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you have successfully gotten your moomoo ID, you can now open a FUTU Singapore Securities account. Once you have done so, you can tap on Open Account at the top right-hand corner on the Codes tab to open an account with us. Tap on Next to begin the setup process via SingPass Myinfo. Select Singapore Citizen or Singapore Permanent Resident to open an account using SingPass Myinfo and NRIC. You will be prompted to enter your email or phone number for verification depending on how you registered at the start. Next, you will now use Myinfo to open an account. Tap Go to Myinfo, then tap I agree to permit moomoo to retrieve your data based on the terms of use. Check that your information provided by Myinfo is correct, and tap on Next. Please provide us more details about yourself and your investment experiences. Read, acknowledge, and sign the risk disclosure form. Then tap on Submit. We will set up your account now, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. If you have any questions, please email clientservice@futusg.com. Thank you for choosing moomoo.